Hey there, true believers. I'm Dan Ackerman, and I am wearing these spectacular spectacles because I am demonstrating the Toshiba satellite A665-3DV. And of course, that 3D, if you can't guess, stands for the third dimension. This is one of only a handful of laptops that supports NVIDIA's 3D vision technology. And of course, 3D vision actually works better on a laptop than it does on a desktop, because on a desktop you have to get the right video card, you have to connect it with a dual-link DVI cable to a compatible 120 hertz monitor, and it's a whole big infrastructure of kind of hardware and software that all needs to work together. In a laptop, they build all that stuff in. The monitor is a 3D compliant monitor. All you need to do is bring the included NVIDIA 3D vision glasses that you recharge via USB port, and this little USB 3D IR emitter, and some newer 3D laptops that we should see in the not too distant future will even have this emitter built right in. Now, of course, to power all that 3D technology, you need a pretty speedy laptop. This guy, fortunately, has a Core i7 CPU from Intel, and it's got a pretty high NVIDIA GeForce 350M GPU, so it can get through games and the 3D overhead required to do the stereoscopic imaging. Now, at the same time, if I was going to do a lot of 3D stuff, I'd probably rather do it on a big 17 or 18-inch desktop replacement laptop. This is just a 15.6-inch model, and the screen resolution is only 1366 by 768, which I'm going to be honest, hardcore gamers would scoff at. And of course, it's not optimal for 1080p full resolution video content either. The 3D effect, once you get it set up, actually works pretty well, and you can use pretty much any recent PC game. A little pop-up on the screen will tell you what NVIDIA thinks of the game and how compatible it will be, and maybe even give you some tips like turning off shadows in a game if the shadows are not particularly 3D friendly. Now, one of the surprising things about this laptop is, despite having a gigantic battery, and you can see the big, huge 12-cell battery sticking out from the bottom here, this thing lasted less than 2 hours in our battery drain test, which is, I could understand it for a big high-end gaming machine, but the fact that this is a 15-inch laptop, not a desktop replacement, and it has a huge 12-cell battery, that's just plain unacceptable. On the plus side, the machine does have a Blu-ray drive, and it's really one of the only laptops we've seen that combines the Blu-ray with the 3D vision. So now with the first generation of 3D Blu-rays coming out, you can actually pop on your glasses and get 3D Blu-ray action right here on a laptop. I'm Dan Ackerman, and that is the Toshiba Satellite A665-3DV.